Play safe. I'll miss you. I love you.
Hey, Matt, you ready?
Oh, I was born ready.
All right. Oh, hello. So many new games. Hey, Matt, what was that 1v1 game that Kevin mentioned?
Which Kevin?
The one with the red hair.
Oh, that Kevin.
Hey, Matt, you ready? Matt? Hello? Matt!
Okay, just hooking up the console. Almost there. Let me plug in the HDMI cable.
Yeah, just let me know when you're ready. Oh, strategy guides. Tips and tactics, don't mind if I do. Oh, so much here.
Okay. Hold on. I have to download and install. What? No space? Okay, download it again. And I'm at 60%. Finally. You ready?
I've been ready. Are you ready to learn from the master? Oh, no way.
Hey, what's with the music?
Let's call it main character music. Instantly play thousands of games from top streaming services. No console required, no storage limits, and no downloads. Plus, you can use any Bluetooth-enabled controllers you already have. Jumping right into your favorite games has never been this quick and easy. Get the best of gaming all in one place with Samsung Gaming Hub.
James, where can I buy your TV?